EC Parents. I'm Jesse Kramer.
And I'm Amanda Henderson. We here at ECTV have been putting on a news and information show for your kids and the staff for less than a year.
Tonight we've put together a video for you, the parents, to show you even more about this school, some of the events that have been going on here, and how this year has gone so far. We hope that you enjoy.
What up, everybody? So glad you're here. Schoolio with the flow back in your ear. This ain't a fantastic voice, but I'm still on the mission. Let's see if I can get your attention. Now, I want to drop some information, just a little additive to your education. I live my life by the code of the funk, 600 watt F18s in the trunk. When I'm on the street, you gotta feel my beat, so throw your hands up if you're down with the seat. Double O-L-I-O with the flow. I'm looking for the party, so better know. 1, 2, 3, it's like ABC. If hip-hop didn't pay, I rap for free. Slide, slide, but that's the path. I got something brand new for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. If you got beef, then eat a pork chop. Once I get it going, you know it don't stop. I break like any locks. Pennies drop from hood to hood, block to block. I need somebody to get it going on in this party. Baby, you can do it, take your time, do it right. We can drink some, y'all can do it all damn night. My name ain't Wonder, but I rock the world. Get more bounce than a Jerry curl. Too many looky-loos be looking for clues. There's a party going on now. What what you gonna do? So grab your partner, dosey-dope. If you don't know who it is, it's Coolio. Slide, slide, but that's the path. I got something brand new for that.
1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down.
Push in the bush, but don't step on no toes, cause you might get smushed. It's a brother from around the way. And what I say, I'm in a cone on beat like Dr. Dre. Coming at him with a pattern and a fresh pair of atoms. I hope he don't trip, cause I don't wanna have to kick him. So move your body, baby. Try the homies crazy. The way you shake it, always amazing. Ain't no party like a West Coast party, cause the West Coast party don't stop. So when you see a young nigga in a Chevy hitting switches, then you gotta get a nigga inspired. I got signs in my rise and the motion for your ocean. Coolio got the potion to get the party up and slide, slide, but that's the path. I got something brand new for that.
1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up, get down. Gonna get up, get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, get your woman on the floor. Gonna get up and get down. Gonna get up and get down.
What I like about you, you hold me tight. Tell me I'm the only one. Wanna come over tonight? Yeah. Phone whispering in my ear. Tell me all the things that I wanna hear, 'cause it's true. That's what I like about you. What I like about you, you really know how to dance. When you go up now,